Well, I'm in the shower and I sing my song. Not in the morning, when the water is boiling, late at night, and think to myself, whatever happened to the broken danger? Whatever happened to me? Whatever happened to all the New York gentlemen? My daddy said, son, you're looking at work. Why mention my dad? Because he jokes about the times that he's had back when he was a hippie. And now our relatives, they change their names to seem more American. Whatever happened to the Brooklyn Dodgers? Whatever happened to me? Whatever happened to all the New York gentlemen? My daddy said, son, you're looking at work. He said, you're looking at work. So hey, we said we go our own way. Hey, why don't we start today? Hey, whoa. And what happened to those days? Well, tell me. Whatever happened to the broken Dodgers? Whatever happened to me? Whatever happened to all the New York gentlemen? Did they just float out to sea? Whatever happened to all the New York gentlemen? My daddy said, son, you're looking at what? He said, you're looking at what?